Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 24RRT-BL. This camper comes in at 33 feet 3 inches tongue to bumper and weighs just over 6,200 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles and we'll have the quick access lid and the hard shell cover here. We have your diamond plate rock guard. There's a red key down below. It's a 12-volt cutoff switch so you can kill all 12-volt power to the battery when the camper is not in use. Part of the black label package is going to be the fiberglass exterior and the deep tinted frameless windows as well. Here we have your magnetic door latch on this front storage compartment. We have a nice LED light inside there, tons of storage. There is a Starlink prep down below here, so you can run your wires up. There's a shelf here to mount the router and a 110 outlet right beside it as well. We have 4 stabilizer jacks on here. You're going to have a entry door right into the bedroom here, and that is also going to have a screen door as well. We have your power awning where each leg is adjustable if the sun's coming down. You can adjust the pitch of the awning, and we have your blue LED accent light as well. Outside kitchen area with your water source, an ice maker, refrigerator, a griddle, and a prep space right here. There is an LP quick disconnect underneath so you can use the gas on the camper to power up the grill as well. We have your furnace vent, outside speakers that light up blue with your entertainment center so you can drop your TV in out here. It's the same bracket we use on the inside, and then we have your TV connections right beside it. Down below, the center cap is popped off. These are the quick easy lube axles. All 4 wheels have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air, so we will just unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. On the main entrance door, we have the sturdy steps here where the legs go all the way down to the ground. Oversized grab handle, again with the full-size black tempered glass door and a full-size screen door as well. Back here we have your fume vent, so if you're hauling anything in the toy hauler garage area with fumes, you can open it up and keep it aired out. And we have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along too. Here's your patio system. We have the fence that goes all the way around. There's a screen wall that you can roll down as well to help keep the bugs out and the air in. Nice bright porch light up above if you're loading something at nighttime. And we have your backup camera already included. Just inside the door here, we have your moon shade. That is going to be a tent that you can set up over the patio to give you some shade outside here. Down below, there is a sewer hose holder as well. And as we make our way up front, this is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Up top is your other fume vent, so you can get cross ventilation to keep the garage aired out as you're traveling. Black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week, you can hook up your water hose, clean out your black tank. We also have an outside shower here. That's going to have a hot and cold spray port with a coil hose sprayer. Your water fill station on the left is fresh water. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. Your city waters, if you're at a campground, you simply hook your water hose up here and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Nice bright LED light here by your connections and dump station. We have a cable connection, so if the campground offers that, you can tap right into it. And last but not least is the on-demand tankless water heater. It is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Gray Wolf 24RRT-BL. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, we're going to have your dinette table in the back here with your seating. You also notice that the D-rings were right inside on the floor for the toy hauler so you can secure stuff down as you're traveling. And here's a look at the kitchen area. Got lots of cabinets up top. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started just inside the entrance door. This is a great place to start. We have the Cherokee Camp Command. It is this built-in iPad system where you can run pretty much all of the systems on your camper. It's very detailed. It's Bluetooth friendly. You can check your water systems here, see how full your tanks are, turn the water pump on. And our 12-volt heating pads on all of your holding tanks. You can run your heat and air off of here as well. And for the fan, you can choose the fan speed and also to make it the dry setting for a dehumidifier. Your light system, You can turn all the lights on and off on the top right-hand side there, or you can turn them on and off individually, and you can also dim each one of those lights. So you can download music on here. You can stream it from your phone. So this is a really cool system that we're excited about, and Cherokee has rolled out for us. Over here we have your entertainment center with your TV bracket. There are connections inside. We are going to get 2 large windows in the kitchen area here. You'll notice that 12-volt charge port on the right-hand side there. There is also this remote that you can use for your lights, your water pump, and your awning, as well as an override remote there. Here we have a cubby up top, perfect storage for a DVD player. And then we have your fireplace with the shoe garage underneath it. The fireplace is electric only, and it can be on for looks, or it can be on as a space heater as well. On the right-hand side, we're going to have a furnace vent that is ducted through the cabinets and not through the floor, since this is a toy hauler. In the kitchen area, we have your furnace down below. We have your microwave, which is also an air fryer and a convection oven, all 3 in 1. 3-burner stove with the glass cover, and that can be used as prep space if you are not cooking. Otherwise, that cover just folds back. And again, with this nice large window, you'll notice we have windows the entire length of the kitchen here. So really great job by Cherokee on that. We have your range vent that will vent to the outside. Overhead storage with the glass in it. They also add additional 12-volt lights over here, so the kitchen lights up really nicely. We have the upgraded solid surface countertops, part of the Black Label package. Another 110 outlet over here in the kitchen. We have your high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. We have your cup rinsing station in the back corner here, so you can take your cup, turn it upside down, push down on it, and rinse it out. You also get a cutting board and this drying mat that comes with it. And this is the nice large single bowl sink that is the farmhouse style sink here. We have storage underneath. Open that up and take a look here. And then we have storage over here on the left-hand side with a couple drawers. And down below, you'll notice they have already incorporated a trash can for you. And we'll take a step back and move on the other side of the kitchen here. Underneath your refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses and your CO detector. And this is a 12-volt refrigerator. The 12-volt refrigerators are great. They are much more efficient than the gas electric, meaning they cool down in a fraction of the time. And they are also deeper, so they don't need the same ventilation that the gas does. So you get more room inside here, and you can still run this as you are traveling down the road. Next up is always a fan favorite. We have the nice large pantry here. This goes all the way from floor to ceiling with multiple shelves in here. So tons of storage inside. Next up, we're going to move into the bathroom area. As we move to the inside, you'll notice we have your storage over here on the left-hand side. We're going to get storage underneath the sink area. And over on the right-hand side, we have this nice open storage area for linens. They have extended the countertop all the way over to the wall, giving you lots of counter space in here as well. Right up above that, we have your thermostat. That is for your on-demand tankless water heater. We have a light switch and a 110 outlet. You'll notice the sink is raised in this model as well. That is also part of the Black Label package. And then we get this nice corner medicine cabinet here, giving you extra storage as well. Your AC is going to be ducted all the way through, including up into the bedroom. We'll take a step back here and look at this while we're up here. We also have this nice large exhaust fan. Skylight in the shower. We have this fancy shower head, also part of the Black Label package here. You have the rainfall shower head. You still have the shower handheld wand on the right-hand side. And you'll notice 2 additional spray ports down below here. We have your shower surround with the built-in shelves. Nice large. This is almost a square shower pan. So tons of room inside. And you have the curtain to pull across still. And then we have your toilet here. Sliding door going into the bedroom. As you move into the bedroom, we have your mattress here. The comforter is included. We have these storage totes up top. There is 2 on the left-hand side and 2 on the right-hand side. Those slide in right underneath the bed, right over here, and also on the right-hand side for quick, easy access to storage there. We have a window over here, a couple hanging storage spaces on the left-hand side. We have doors up above the bed, so you can utilize that as storage as you're traveling down the road. Lights, we can have it on as a blue light or white reading light above at the head of the bed there. And in the back, we have a built-in shelf. Over here on this side, you'll notice this 110 outlet looks a little bit different. It's going to have a built-in inverter. So as you're traveling down the road, if you pull over to a truck stop, you can come in here, turn that on, and have 110 power, even if you're not plugged into shore power there. Here's a unique feature as well. This little nightstand will pull out for quick access to the storage underneath. And again, we have the entrance door directly into the bedroom. Over here, you're going to get additional storage. I have these doors up top. I'm going to try to open these up here for you to take a look inside. So you can see there is a shelf built in there. And then we get some more storage doors down below and a little bit of open face storage. Another great place to kick your shoes off down below there. And last, in the bedroom area, we have your TV bracket already mounted on the wall. And we have the connections up top on the ceiling, making it very easy to drop a TV in there and hook it up. And now we're going to move back out to the kitchen and living room area. Here's a great chance to take a look at these tie downs. You'll notice they come all the way up. They will also go all the way back. Those benches fold up to the wall, which would expose a couple more D-rings back there. We have nice bright LED lights going all the way back. And of course that AC is ducted all the way back here as well. We have 2 interior speakers back here. There are also 2 exterior speakers as well. In the back on the right-hand side, you get that storage up top with the cargo net there for your helmet rack. Windows on both sides. You get a 110 outlet on both sides as well, just in front of the window. You'll notice here on both sides. In the back, you can take the backs off of these dinette areas and get 2 individual sleeping areas, or the table can lay flat and turn into one nice large sleeping area back here. Here's an inside look at the fume vent in this back corner. Of course, we have the screen wall, which will roll down. Moonshade tucked away in the corner here. And as we spin around, you get one more really large window over here and the other fume vent from the inside. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 24RRT-BL. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.